Hello together! In this video I want to show you how to insert a SIM card in the OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. Before we start inserting the SIM card, let's take a look at the SIM card. And here you can see I have a SIM card on my finger. It's a so-called nano-SIM card. And this nano-SIM card is the smallest SIM card you can buy at this moment. It can be that you have a slightly bigger model from a SIM card. Then you perhaps have a micro SIM card or a standard SIM card. But you need a nano SIM card. If you don't have a nano SIM card ready, then just call your provider and they will send you a new one. Okay, let's take a look where we must put the SIM card in, and here at the side you can see the right place, and here you can see a little tray, and besides the tray there is a little hole, and we must put something in this hole. So here you have two options. The first one is if you take your packaging from the OPPO and you pull this out, you can see here the so-called SIM card ejector tool, and this is a needle, and this needle fits perfectly in this little hole. Or if you don't find your packaging or the SIM card ejector tool, you can just find the good old paper clip, and you can see I just bent it a little bit, and I will use now this paper clip, so it's also no problem. I will push it a little bit in, and then you can see the tray opens, and then I can pull it out, and here you can see you have two options where you can put it in for SIM card 1 and SIM card 2. Here's SIM 1 and here's SIM 2. And if I want to put it in, you can see here the corner is slightly different than the other ones, so I cannot put it in here the wrong way. The only way I can put it in is like this, and then just put it back here again, push it in, and then everything's ready. And after some seconds your OPPO Reno8 Lite will tell you, okay, I have recognized the SIM card and please enter the pin for SIM 1, like you can see here, and here it's 4 times the 0. I click on OK, and then everything's fine. After a few seconds your SIM card will be activated, and then you can just use your SIM card to go in the internet when you're outside, to chat with your friends and do whatever you want to do. And this is how you insert the SIM card in the OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye!